Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I am going to show you how to make miniature raspberry cookies. And all you need is yellow clay, any type of Play-Doh, and you need one marker in red because this will make the effect of the raspberry in the middle. So why don't we start with the simple DIY cookies. And we also have more pies there, but I already made my video on that. So today it's just raspberry cookies. And this is all for my new miniature bakery. So as you can see, I'm going to have you look at the cookies right there. Okay? While I make more. So you're going to take small amounts, very small amounts, because we're talking about little tiny cookies. And you're going to make them, first you're going to shape them into bowls, and then you're going to flatten them like that. Okay, and then put it on your surface, whether it's a tray or whatever. So then we're going to do the same, make a few of these. Okay, so my miniature bakery is gonna be amazing, and I know it because it's already in my brain. I can see it in my brain, and it's gonna look so real. It might even have real pastries in there, so stay tuned for that. Okay, now that I have a few there, I'm going to bring the camera over. I'm taking my Sharpie, my red Sharpie, and I'm taking my camera so that you can see up close what I'm doing. So I made some of the cookies, right? So the raspberry in the middle, all you have to do is take your marker and just mark a red point right in the middle. That's all you have to do. Look at that. So we just made more raspberry cookies for that tray. Now, I don't know if you can tell as I touch them that they're hard. I already had made these a few days ago, and these are new. So right now these are soft. But as they dry, they're going to be like that. They're not going to be soft. And these are my raspberry cookies for the new miniature Dollhouse bakery. So I hope that you enjoyed this little video, and I hope that I've inspired you to make cakes and cookies and all that. Look for my video on these. Okay, so thanks for watching.